Well, some dinner plates from the Johnson Brothers Old Chelsea range to show you today. Just look at the brightness of these rims, considering these are 1940s through to 1950s. Let's show you one of the dinner plates. If I just move the rest out of the way. Lovely autumn flower design. 3 blocks of transfer pattern, as you can see around the rims, a large, medium and small block of pattern, and the transfer itself is really nicely detailed. Yellows, oranges and browns, sort of giving that autumnal feel on a cream background with rib moulding. You can see here going out to this irregular scalloped rim with some nice gilt that's hand applied by the Johnson Brothers decorator from the period. There's the glaze reflection, really nice clean surfaces, no condition notes on any of these 6. There's the old Chelsea Johnson Brothers factory stamp. The BY is the rationing code used by Johnson Brothers during this period of manufacture, so they could be sold in the UK at a set coupon rate. Normal for these plates to have kiln support marks on them. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, there you go. That's where they've been stacked in a kiln for firing. But all 6 of these dinner plates are in fantastic vintage condition. As I say, date range on these, late 1940s through to the late 1950s. And in fine condition. We've got dessert plates, rimmed English soup dishes or plates. Haven't measured them yet as to whether they're over the 10-inch plate cut off or whether they're just rimmed soups. We've also got a little bit of teaware, some terrines and some platters, so an opportunity to put a really nice dresser display together this autumn with these Johnson Brothers sets. Pop a link in the description taking you through to the dinner plate listing. If you'd like to find out more details, click on that. Take you through to the Vintage and Antiques website where we're making these videos to support our China sales. Thanks for watching.